Hi, this is Naveen Kumar. Expressing ourselves in a likable way or in a better way, it will help in building relationship, strong relationship, and that in turn helps in personal, professional and social development. Don't you want to be a person everyone likes? How to become a super likable person? In this video, I'll tell you 6 strategies that will help you to become a super likable person. Number 1, decide to communicate. The first important thing you have to do is you have to take a decision to communicate and overcome the fear of communication. Remember, all great communicators were once having fear towards communication. They understood that, or they realized that fear, and they took some strategies to overcome that fear, and that's the reason why they are great communicators. Like that, similarly, we should also adopt such a mechanism. We should also realize our fear towards communication, understand why that fear is there, and we have to take intentional measures to overcome such fears and be a great communicator. So decision is very important. Decide to communicate or shut down your fear is the first step to become a likable person. Number 2, ask questions. Asking questions matters. When you deal with a person, that person will have interest to talk about the areas where he is interested or he is passionate about. So he has a lot of things to speak to you. What you have to do is you have to give an opportunity to him to speak. When you give such an opportunity, he will speak. What happens is that person who is speaking will think, or he will understand your interest in him and his activities. That will help that person to have a likability towards you. You will become likable for him. So this is very important. Ask questions. Number 3, listen. Listening is a very important skill to become likable. To become a super likable personality, you should develop the skill of listening. What is the difference between listening and hearing? Hearing is only a process using ears. But in listening, what you are doing is hearing plus giving attention. Not only you are hearing something, you are giving your full attention towards the person whom with you are speaking. So this is very important. In listening, your full attention is required. Listening can be also said to be a process where hearing is there. Along with hearing, your attention, your compassion and your interest is shown. So this is very important. Listening. When you start listening to people, their interest in you increases and your likability increase. So this is strategy number 3. Listen. Remember, people need people who can listen, not people who can hear. Number 4. Make people laugh. Everyone likes people who can make us laugh. Why? Because when we are laughing, our happy hormone production begins. When this happy hormone production begins, we will feel happy and comfortable. So what we have to do? What we have to do is that we have to make people laugh. How we can do that? For doing that, we have to use humor in our conversation. For using humor in our conversation, listen or read or watch those contents which are humorous. While watching this, while listening this, while reading this, your mirror neurons in your brain, that will do the rest. So this is very important step. Make people laugh. Your likability increases. Number 5, create an impact. You have to create an impact. What is an impact? Impact means a force that can create a great shock in a very short time period. Like this, for example, I will tell one example. When a meteoroid comes to Earth and hits the surface of Earth, a great shock is created. A flying object is creating a great shock in a short time. So we can say that flying object impacted Earth. Like this, what we have to do is, when our presence is there, when we are interacting with a person, we have to impact him. We have to impact him so that a great positive change is reflected in his life. If we can give that great positive shift or great positive change, then you are impacting that person. You are automatically inspiring that person. They will not forget you, or they will always have a likability towards you. So this is very important, to create an impact. If you are a person who can create an impact, your likability will become super likability. And finally, number 6, support. You have to give support to the person you are interacting with. When you support or cooperate with him, definitely that person will like you. Your likability increases. When you give timely support and timely cooperation, you will become one among his favorite ones. So giving cooperation and giving support is a sixth important strategy to become a super likable person. All these 6 strategies really works. Apply these strategies and be a super likable person. If you have any more suggestion to become a super likable person, kindly comment that suggestion. If you like to watch motivational, inspirational and self-development videos, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video. Click the bell icon near to it and click the all option in it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wishing you all the very best. NK signing off.